Good morning, investors and traders. In today's segment, we'll be looking at Bitcoin prices and if they are at a bargain level, especially after the massive rout that we've seen over the weekend. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, I highly recommend you to do so. As always, let me bring out the risk disclaimers and risk warnings in front of you. If you have any questions in relation to that, please feel free to go back to your own account managers. A bit about myself: I come with a wealth of 15 years of trading experience. During this time period, I have worked as a hedge fund trader for Bank of New York Mellon, as an equity trader with Bank of America, and currently providing services as a chief analyst for EverTrade. Now, the chart which is in front of you is a Bitcoin's daily price chart. This is the rout in the market. This was the massive plunge in the market that we've experienced over the weekend. The prices fell off a cliff from 54,000 sort of a price level, going all the way touching the low of nearly 42,388. Now, investors are looking at this prime area. This area of support is the most important area of support. Now, of course, we can fine tune this area by bringing this line a little bit more down to this particular level, and then slightly be more refining this level as well, just bringing it back to that 42,000. So anywhere between 39,597 to 42,739 excuse me, is the price level that we are very much focused on for now. Now, when we look at the price action, there are a number of things that we need to pay attention to. Firstly, the price is clearly trading below the 50, which is right over here. The price is trading below your 100-day simple moving average, which is right over here, but it briefly violated the 200-day simple moving average, and then it quickly bounced back above that 200-day simple moving average, indicating to us that there is still bit of that buying pressure there, and that there are plenty of buyers around this particular area, around that support area. This area which I'm just about to highlight is an area of a massive support where we have seen plenty of buying, and the prices as a result move to the upside. Now, going forward, what is really important in terms of the price action is, can the price stay above that 200-day simple moving average? Because if it can't stay above the 200-day simple moving average, then that means we are likely to see a move which is going to propel the prices from here to the upside, and we're likely to see upper prices soaring from here. However, if the price breaks below this particular price level, we could easily see the prices dropping here to this particular price level of support level of 42. Under those circumstances, what we could potentially see in terms of a price action is a double bottom, which could look like this. Just imagine another red candle over here and the price forming a double bottom. Now, if the price forms a double bottom and it respects this area of support of a 40,000, then again we are likely to see a massive move to the upside. However, if the price breaks all of this particular price level, then we could potentially see a more sell-off. However, again, something which is quite important to mention over here is the level where RSI is sitting. The RSI relative strength index is sitting near 30, and 30 is associated as an oversold area, and 70 is associated with it as an overbought area. Now, clearly the prices are over here, so that means we are likely to see a momentum, we are likely to see a move to the upside. One more thing before we can finalize or summarize this particular section is to have a look on the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, what we see is the prices after a sharp sell-off which pushed the RSI over here to a level which we haven't seen in a very long time, pushed the RSI back up, and now over here on the 4-hour time frame, we are looking at the price action from this particular price point. Let me highlight that area, and what we wanted to see is the prices staying above this particular area. This is the area where we wanted to see the more consolidation forming, and if there is a consolidation happening, we wanted to see the prices shooting back to the upside. If that happens, that would be very positive. However, if the price breaks over here, then that scenario of a double bottom and everything else will very much come into play. Stay safe, and we'll be back with more analysis in the meantime and with more nuggets for you. Until then, goodbye.